Behind the fun, behind the town, and behind the chocolate lies the sweet story of Hershey, Pennsylvania. Building the nation's first modern chocolate factory was a feat great enough for a lifetime. But Milton S. Hershey's ambitions were much grander. Chocolate was the means to the greater good he had in mind: happiness. The impact of Hershey's chocolate would go on to provide a foundation for generations to build upon. One of the many ways Mr. Hershey made people happy was by creating spaces designed for fun. The sweetest of these spaces was Hershey Park. Over 110 years, his modest plans for picnic grounds have transformed into a premier family amusement park that draws guests from across the country. Today, roaring coasters, family attractions, an entire water park, and a cast of life-size Hershey's characters illustrate the sweetness of a visit to Hershey Park. But the story doesn't end there. Inspired by the legacy Milton S. Hershey left behind, we're creating more spaces for people to come together. In 2020, Hershey Park is unlocking a new chapter. Welcome to Hershey's Chocolatetown, the place where fun meets chocolate in more ways than ever before. Hershey's Chocolatetown will be a new region at Hershey Park, where guests can play, eat, shop, and gather all in the name of happiness.